Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Desiree and today we're just going to do a little get ready with me. It's been a while since I've actually talked to you guys and let you guys know what's been going on and why it's been so crazy. Jumping right in, I'm just going to kind of start doing my face. I'm going to prime my face right now. Everything that I use I will be posting down below, so just look out for that. Just in case you guys didn't know, I got my eyebrows microbladed again by Jessie Sarah, and she made them a little thicker and a little bit fluffier, and I absolutely love them. How the heck have you guys been? It's been like forever since I've actually done a talk through, so I've been like missing out on everything. As far as I go, Halloween was crazy. I tried to do the 31 days of Halloween. Girl, it did not work out. I didn't have time. It was just too like crazy. Like, oh, I got it on my shirt. Anyway, it was too crazy. Like everything was happening at the same time and I just didn't have the time to do any of the stuff that I said that I wanted to do. So I was kind of sad that I wasn't able to do 31 days, but I was able to do 15 days, which was pretty cool. So I did 15 days. I'm not gonna lie, I felt like a lot of my looks were wasted because not a lot of people got able to see them, just because for whatever reason not a lot of people that follow me on Instagram follow me on my YouTube. They don't really know. And then my Instagram, obviously, as you guys already know, has always been kind of like losing followers, so I didn't really gain anything this Halloween season. So I don't feel like a lot of people got to see what I was doing. I did start a TikTok, so I started doing that. And then after that, dude, like everything just kind of stopped. I was so tired all the time. All in all, I had a really good Halloween season. I did have a lot of clients this year. I had more clients than I did last year, and I think that's because a lot of people want to get on my books and most of the time I just don't have the time. So this year I opened up my books a little bit earlier and they filled up pretty quickly, which I'm super grateful for. Everybody really was into wanting me to do their makeup this spooky season. So I had a lot of full bodies, half bodies, a lot of parties that they wanted me to do and stuff like that. But after my Halloween, everything just kind of stopped, and I think this happens to every artist, every creative artist that, you know, creates content for Halloween. They kind of just get burned out, and I got burned out, but I was like still wanting to like create content for you guys, but at the same time I was feeling super sick and I was feeling super weak and super tired. Like no matter what I did, I just kept feeling like, man, I really want to sleep. And I was like, okay, I gotta concentrate on my school stuff because I neglected my school stuff a little bit because of the Halloween season. So I was like, I gotta get back on it. And I thought that I was gonna need like a week off and then I would be good again. Well, no. That week passed, then I'm like, oh my god, like I need another week. And then that week passed, and then oh my god, I'm in week 3 already, and I'm just like, oh, like I really need something to help me get some energy because I'm tired all the time. I was like, there's no way that I'm this tired. This is the Patrick Star powder. I was just kind of like, dude, like what the fuck, like why am I so tired? So finally I went to the doctor and I asked the doctor, like, you know, hey, like I've been feeling really tired, like this is what's been going on, that's what's been going on, blah blah blah. We took some tests, had my blood count done and all that good stuff, and my hemoglobin was like super low. It was like a 6 and it's supposed to be at like a 12 and above. So that's one of the reasons why I've been like super tired and I didn't really even know it. So I have to get on new medication, new iron medication, and if I drop any lower I have to get a new transfusion. So it's just been crazy, and I was trying to figure out why the heck I'm so tired and I couldn't. Like I was just like, girl, like you need to get out of it, you know? But I finally figured it out, and hopefully after I get all this medication I'll be able to do more content and have more energy to do this content. Literally all I want right now is like ice. Like no matter what I do, I want ice all the time. Like I cannot be without ice, like for real. I'm not gonna let this bake for too long. I'm just using it to kind of set everything. I'm testing out a new primer too, so I want to see if it like breaks up my foundation or if it like does good. So we'll see. So I am going to bronze my face. I'm just using the Wet n Wild bronzer. It's one of my favorites, and just placing that all over my face. But yeah, so finally I figured out what was wrong, and now that I'm gonna get new stuff to help, like I'm super hopeful for everything, and hopefully I can start doing more tutorials. I want to start doing more tutorials with my daughter again because it's been a while. Like we've been kind of slacking on that, and it's not her fault. It's more because our schedules clash a lot. We don't have a lot of time to do them anymore, so it's really hard to get stuff done, which sucks because I really enjoy those videos and the time that I have with her to do these videos. But during the winter season, we have a lot of stuff that we have in mind, so I can't wait to actually put that into play. I'm going to put that on my eyelid here, and I'm not really concentrating it anywhere. I'm just kind of putting it all over as a base. I do feel like lately my Instagram page has lost of a lot of interaction, a lot of play. Like I don't feel like my page gets seen a lot, and I know it has to do with the algorithm, and I lose hundreds and hundreds of followers a day, and it's just kind of like I'm over it. And sometimes I feel like maybe I should do a new page, like maybe that will help me. But then at the same time I'm just like, what if it doesn't help me at all, and I just like do all this work and lose all the work that I did and I get nowhere? So like, what do you guys think? Should I start a new page and start new and start fresh, or should I just like try to work through the page that I have now and see if anything changes? I mean, it's been a year now and nothing has really changed. I haven't gained a follower at all. And even though it says that I gain a follower, I lose, like for one follower that I gain, I lose like 100 followers behind that. So it's like really frustrating. I'm gonna go in with the Dream Street Kathleen Lights and ColourPop. I'm gonna take this eyeshadow here, and I'm just gonna go into this dark brown right here. And I'm going to place that on the outer corner just to kind of deepen my crease a little bit. And we're just going to run that halfway and then on the lower lash line as well. And then if you haven't noticed, I did get a new tattoo. This is my Sun and Moon tattoo. It's a friendship tattoo with one of my really good friends. She's like a sister to me, Kimmy. So she has the same tattoo, and she actually has the same little Eye of Horus tattoo, and then we have the same hand tattoo. So super exciting. I got that done for my birthday. That was my birthday gift, so I was really loving it. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm going to school for photography. And I'm just trying. I've always wanted to go for photography, but I never had the time to actually go. And I was like, I need to go before I get older, because a girl is pushing 30 and I need to just do whatever it is that I want before it gets too late and I don't want to do it anymore. So I was like, I have to do it before I turn 30. I do like to just kind of like add more product to the corner here so I can make kind of like a little peak. I don't know, I love that. So just kind of like make it right there, and then just blend it out, and I do blend with my fingers and all that good stuff. Isn't it so cute? Look at these little things. Can you open it? Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this on my lid. It's cute. Oh, look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, you're gonna die. Look at this. Isn't it not the prettiest freaking lipstick? Alright, so this one is called Gold Star. Oh, they're like metallic-y. Okay. This is their lip gloss, or lip glass. So I'm gonna try this one over this. I like this one a lot more. This one's not as... So this one is called Walk of Flame, and I like this one a lot better than the Gold Star one. I think this one is A+. Alright, well that pretty much is it. Thank you so much for watching this little get ready with me today. I just wanted to kind of catch you guys up on what's been happening and why I've been so MIA lately. But I'm trying to get back into the rhythm of things, trying to... By the way, I didn't put anything on my brows because they're dark enough already. Sidetrack. I just wanted to let you guys know what was happening because I know I haven't been posting a lot and I haven't been creating a lot of content, but trust me, I've been trying. It's just my body does not respond well at this very moment. But hopefully now that I'm on new medication, it's gonna definitely help me get myself together and be able to give me the energy to create more content for you guys, which is what I love doing ultimately. Other than that, I hope that you like this look because I love it. We will see you in my next video and hopefully it's a creative one. Love you. Ciao.